Ejaculated sperm volume is usually measured in milliliters using a laboratory pipette. The average amount of semen per ejaculation is between 2 and 4 milliliters, although it is a value that can vary depending on different aspects, such as sexual abstinence, stress levels, and so forth. Based on the World Health Organization standards, a normal ejaculate volume is considered to be anything starting from 1.5 milliliters. Results above 1.5 milliliters of ejaculate would not indicate alterations affecting overall male fertility. However, when the volume of ejaculated semen is less than 1.5 milliliters, this condition is referred to as hypospermia. Nevertheless, when the ejaculate semen volume exceeds 6 milliliters, this condition is known as hyperspermia. This might be directly caused by a long period of total sexual abstinence, or simply because the seminal vesicles produce a large amount of seminal fluid, even though there is no abnormality present.